Our March 2025 Research and Analysis Bulletin focuses upon the quality of work by probation services to protect the public, providing an update on a similar 2018 bulletin. Keeping people safe, in conjunction with other partners and agencies, is a key objective for probation, and it is thus an area of focus for our inspections, alongside the complementary work to support desistance. The findings presented are based upon case assessment data from probation inspection reports, published between February 2022 and August 2023. Our inspectors examined 1,748 cases, 67% of which were community sentence cases, and 33% of which were post-custody. In each of these cases, our inspectors considered key questions relating to public protection work, recording the rationales for their judgments, alongside notable instances of good or poor practice. Contemporary probation practice is based upon the Aspire model of case supervision. In our probation inspections, we judge the quality of public protection work at the assessment, planning, implementation, and reviewing stages, as set out on the slide. Importantly, we always look at practice holistically and take a proportionate approach to assessing the quality of work, considering whether the strengths outweigh any deficits. Probation services have been through a difficult and damaging journey over recent times, and our 2022 to 2023 dataset reveals notable shortfalls in public protection work across the Aspire stages. For example, as shown on the slide, the implementation and delivery of services was deemed to be effectively supporting the safety of other people, in just over 1 in 3 of the cases examined. The accompanying inspector commentaries highlight how many of the fundamental requirements for public protection have not been happening. As set out on the slide, areas for improvement are identified, encompassing the importance of undertaking essential inquiries when necessary, using professional curiosity and critical evaluation, ensuring sufficient activity across the period of supervision, utilizing the interventions framework, making use of multi-agency resources, focusing upon contingency planning, and ensuring that cases benefit from management oversight and reflective practice supervision. The inspector commentaries on this slide further illustrate some of the key areas for improvement. More specifically, the need to undertake essential checks, the need for sufficient activity and contact, the importance of oversight and supervision, and the requirement for contingency planning. At the same time as identifying clear areas for improvement, our inspectors also reported on positive practice examples. 2 of these examples are set out on this slide. The first one highlights the importance of putting into place a robust risk management plan and strong contingency measures, while the second example highlights the value of collaboration and coordination through multi-agency forums, as well as proactive management. As we have previously highlighted, the recent organizational context for probation, with high levels of staff vacancies and turnover, and excessive workloads and caseloads, has not created an environment conducive for high-quality work. Relying upon the heroic efforts of individual practitioners to support people move away from offending behavior, while at the same time protecting the public, can be no substitute for properly resourced and staffed probation services. This is recognized within the considerations on this slide, which are set out to help improve the quality of public protection work and the complementary work supporting desistance and integration. Each of these 7 areas are explored further in the full report. There are clear links between the considerations on the previous slide and the presence components for the delivery of high-quality probation services. These components capture the importance of building a personalized understanding of each individual, cooperative and collaborative partnership working, with attention being given to the continuity of support at the end of the period of supervision, and a commitment to evidence and evaluation, enabling services and delivery to be improved over time. Crucially, practitioners need to be supported and empowered to deliver their best practice, and given the time and space to build secure and trusting relationships with those they are supervising, with their colleagues, and with other professionals, across agencies and sectors within their local areas. Adopting a relationship-centered approach can help to shine a light on the building of all of these relationships, reducing relational distancing, to the benefit of both individuals and local communities. More detailed information can be found in the full report. All of our research reports, and much more, are freely available on our website. Just search for HMI Probation Research.